Hey guys, I'm Tina. I teach CBSE 8th Maths. Hey guys, already we said the hey, right?
Yeah, but still,
Continue with your dialogue.
Okay, it's me, Tanya Rowling. I teach 10th Maths.
Okay, now let's get into the video. So guys, let's read the question. Multiply the binomials. So the first subdivision is 2x plus 5 and 4x minus 3. So we are going to multiply this binomial. So this is a binomial because it has two terms. Am I right? So now our first step is 2x plus 5. So let's just write the bracket. Now we will replace the and with multiplication. Okay, multiplication sign into 4x minus 3. Okay, so now in the second step what we are going to do is, so while we multiply binomials there is a step, that is we will multiply the first term with the second expression and the second term with the second expression. I mean we will multiply 2x into 4x minus 3, 5 into 4x minus 3. Okay. So now we are going to use it. We are going to solve it in that method. So first 2x into 4x minus 3. So we will multiply 2x into 4x minus 3. Next what do we have in the second term? Plus 5. So we should mention the plus sign also. So plus 5 into bracket 4x minus 3. So now we shall multiply it direct way. Okay. So now 2x into 4x. So 4 into 2 is 8. So 8x square, because both the sides we have x. Am I right? So 8x square. Then we will multiply the signs. It's really important. Okay. We will multiply the signs. So plus into minus is minus. So minus 2x into 3 is 3 into 2. So 3 into 2 is 6 and then x as it is. Next we will multiply the sign. Plus into plus is plus. So 5 into 4x is 5 into 4 is 20. So 20x. Next we have plus into minus. So plus into minus is minus. So after multiplying the signs, we will multiply the number. Okay. So 5 into 3 is 15. So our answer is, so here you guys can see we have like terms. We should just remember. Okay. We should check whether we have like terms. So what are the like terms? Minus 6x plus 20. So how do we find whether it's a like term? Because they have the same variable. Okay. So here we have minus sign and plus sign. So minus into plus is minus. So 20 minus 6. So 20 minus 6 is dash. 20 minus 6 is 14. Okay. So 14x. So 8x square. So plus 14x minus 15. So how did I get the plus sign? It is because the greater number sign is plus. So I will just solve it. Okay. Minus into plus is minus. So 6 minus 20. So like this only we should write, otherwise the signs would change. Okay. So minus 6 plus 20, which is minus, so is equal to 14. Am I right? And the greater number sign, that is plus. So plus 14x. So this is the answer for the first subdivision. So now let's solve the second subdivision. So what is the second subdivision? Y minus 8 and 3y minus 4. So y minus 8. So we will replace the and with into 3y minus 4. So now what do? We will just multiply the first term with the second expression, second term with the second expression. So now let's multiply it. So y into 3y, let's write it, okay. Y into 3y minus 4, then minus 8. So we should mention everything, we should mention the sign, okay. So minus 8 into 3y minus 4. So now let's multiply the number or variable, the expression, okay. So y into 3y is 3y square because no number, so we will just multiply the variables. Next we have y into minus 4. So first we will multiply the sign. Plus into minus is minus. So minus y into 4 is, like, we can't just multiply it because it's a number. So we will write 4y. Okay. So the minus is already there. So no need of mentioning it again. Okay. So minus 4y. Next we have minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. So 8 3s are, so we will multiply it, right. So 8 into 3. 8 into 3 is 24. After that the y, okay. Because no other y, so we will write the y as it is. Next we have minus 8 into minus 4. So minus into minus. Minus into minus is plus. So plus 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. So no variable, so we will write it as it is. So now here you guys can see we have two like terms, that is minus 4 minus 24. And how it's a like term? Because they have the same variable, am I right? So minus into minus. So minus into minus is plus. Here we have minus minus. So minus into minus is plus. So we are going to be adding this. So 24 plus 4 is 28 and the y as it is plus 32. So how did I get y here? It's because the greater number sign is minus. So this is the answer for this subdivision. Now let's see the third subdivision. So guys, the third subdivision is 2.5L minus 0.5M and 2.5L plus 0.5M. So here we have a decimal value, am I right? But still, even though we have a decimal value, we will use the same method. So first 2.5L minus 0.5M into 2.5L plus 0.5M. So now what we are going to do is we are going to multiply the first term with the second expression and the second term with the second expression. Okay. So now let's write it. So 2.5L, the first term, into the second expression, that is 2.5L plus 0.5M. Now we will write the second expression. So what is the sign? Minus 0.5M. So minus 0.5M into bracket second expression. Second expression is 2.5L plus 0.5M. Okay. So now we are going to multiply it. So first we have 2.5L into 2.5L. So here we have the same, like exact same number, am I right? So we are going to multiply this. So let's multiply it, okay. So now we are going to multiply it. So 2.5 into 2.5. So it's a normal multiplication, okay. So 5 into 5 is 25, am I right? So 5 here, 2 carry. Now 5 into 2. 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12, next x. So 5 into 2 is 10. 0 here, 1 carry. So 2 into 2 is 4. We should add 1, right, because we carried 1. So 2 into 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. So now we will add it. So 5, 2, 6. So now we have 625. So now what we are going to do is we are going to choose a point value. That is, when we multiply a decimal value, here you guys can see we have 2 point values. Am I right? 2 point values. So we will place it after 2 numbers, before 2 numbers. Okay. So this one is one number, this is one number. So before this 2 points, so before 2 numbers. If there is 1 point, before 1 number. So our answer is 6.25. Okay. So let's write it 6.25 L square, because L into L. L into L is L square. Next we have 2.5 L into, the sign is plus. So we will multiply the sign, right? Plus into plus. So plus into plus is plus. Then we will multiply 2.5 L into 0.5 M. So let's multiply it, okay? So 2.5. No need of mentioning the variables now, okay? So let's check it. 2.5 into 0.5. Yeah. So 5 into 5 is 25. So 5 here, 2 carry. So 5 into 2 is 10. 2 is there. So 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. Next 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. Then our answer is 125. So here you guys can see we have 2 point. So before 2 numbers. So before 2 numbers. So our answer is 1.25 LM. Okay. So how I got LM? Here one L, here one M. Both, we can't multiply both of this. So we will write it together. Okay. That's why we have 1.25 LM. So next what do we have? So next we have minus 0.5 M into 2.5 L. Am I right? So already we have multiplied it, the same 2.5 L into 0.5 M. So let me show. So here you guys can see it's the same thing. So only thing is the sign is changed. So minus into plus is minus. So minus 1.25 LM. So here we will get ML. Okay. If we write it as LM, it's right. If we write it as ML also, it's correct. Okay. Both are correct. So already we have multiplied it. So we got the direct answer. So next we have minus 0.5 M into plus 0.5 M. So minus into plus is minus. So minus, now we will multiply it. Am I right? So 0.5 into 0.5. So 5 into 5 is 25. 5 here. 2 carry. 5 into 0 is 0. So 2, we will get 2 because carry is 2. Am I right? Now 0 into 5 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. So we got 0 to 5. So here we have 2 point. Am I right? 2 point values. So what will happen before 2 numbers? That is here. So our answer is 0.25 M square, because M into M. So M into M is M square. Okay. So now what we are going to do is, we have 2 like terms here. Did you guys notice that? That is this and this. So we are just going to cancel these. So cancel, cancel. So how can I cancel it? Because it's exactly the same number, same variable, and the sign is different. So when this case is true, so here we have it perfectly, it's just the same thing. That is, the signs are different, but the number and variables are same. So in this case we will cancel. Okay. In case if the sign is plus here, we can't cancel. Here one side it should be plus, another side it should be minus. But the number and the variable both should be same. Okay. So now we shall write this. 6.25 L square, we will say it 25, okay, not 25. 25L square minus 0.25M square. So this is the answer for this subdivision. So you should cancel it when there is a minus symbol and a plus, but the numbers and variables are same. Okay. So this is the answer for the third subdivision.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubts, comment me in the comment section. Bye. Take care.